The terrace is one of the most important places in the house, as it is the place that a person can dedicate to take a break after spending a tiring working day. But there are many people who do not take advantage of the terrace in their homes and do not know how to take advantage of it and turn it into a suitable place for rest. So we decided, through the lines of this article, to provide some information that helps a person take advantage of the terrace. Scandinavian gardens depend on the use of neutral colors such as white and light gray, and merging these colors with wood in order to create places to sit and take a break. Tropical garden. These gardens are made of a group of plants that are placed in small pots hanging in the wall, and medium-sized pots placed on the ground, in addition to placing a wooden bench for relaxation. Hanging garden. In this style, a group of pots containing ornamental plants are placed in the terrace wall in a specific order, while chairs and a table are placed on the terrace so that the session is opposite the wall that contains the pots.